Hello, paper airplane guys. My name is Nicholas, the master of paper airplane magic. And this is how I make paper airplanes that will literally sometimes blow your mind and sometimes they won't blow your mind. So, okay, a big shout out to the perfect no luck plane. By the way, okay, hold on. This plane looks nice, but it's only lifted, but that's because it has too much layers, and it's only like on those sides, not anything else. But this one's whole lifted, and I do not like how this falls. So, and if you support me on crayons, you can deserve this tablet. By the way, it has the 10 because this is 10 level plane, but it's pretty easy. If you want to put it, and if you want to make me a part 2 of this, you can support me on like crayons and make the tablet so you can support it. So bye guys. See you soon. So you may notice I skipped the fight because it might not show how it flies. So I'll just show you how to pull this. Okay. First, you need to fold the whole plane in half. Long ones. By the way, this plane is 8.5 by 11 inch. So you have to use that type of paper, or else it won't look like this. By the way, this is gonna be like a way longer than this. So put the 2 triangles down like this, and then you're gonna like fold it all the way down like this. And put the same thing on the other side. And then you open it up. Make sure you got a mouse piece. Half down. Put the whole one up, and then bam. And then you fold the up, and then you fold these 2 triangles down. And then you fold this corner, not this corner, this, and fold it down. Like you fold it like normally. And then you fold these down, and then you open it up, bam, up, and fold the corner up, and we'll fold there, and then we'll fold this corner down, and then you like it can be like way longer. So like, and then you're gonna lock it. This will happen to be more wider. If you like, if you're a little twirly, make sure you use the scissors. So when you make a tablet. So the one I did was the perfect one because I thought it would be like more wider, and then for the wings, and then like make sure you have like at the coconut down, hold up. So make sure you like make the wings in your copy to look like this. And then you're gonna fold it. By the way, if you want to make this official, then you're gonna make sure the edges are lined up. So like, by the way, so then you fold try to put the wings. So like, you're gonna make sure you like do it in any sides. You like put it on any side, and then put the tongue down, bam, up, and goes up. And then for this down, and then you're gonna put this, and then you're gonna just point down, and then that's how you make the plane. And make sure your pointer look like this. If it doesn't look like this, you fold the wrong fold. I did pause this, so make sure your pointer look like this, and I'll see you and have fun finding the plane.